So we look at Euro USD and we're using the weekly time frame Euro USD. Euro USD has been falling and got to parity in 2022, right? Yeah, 2022. So we want to look at the structure using the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame found out demand and supply roof. So for us to see exactly where Euro USD is going to and a possible drop, a continuous drop, Euro USD might continue to drop. But the price at the moment is sitting on a demand floor. The price at the moment is on a demand floor. Price at the moment is on a demand floor. Let's see what it does from there. Let's get our supply roof. Okay, so let's see supply roof. These are supply roof. These are demand floor. These are demand floor. A descending trend line. Euro USD is bearish. Euro USD bearish since 2014 based on the structure. So we have here supply roof and RS level. And let's get our SR level and let's get our breakout candle BO. And let's get our retest candle RT. We have here RS level and also a supply roof. But we'll get it again. RS level. It's a descending trend line DTL. Let's get our ATL ascending trend line DTL. So we have resistance structure, breakout of resistance structure. Price couldn't get to retest actively, and that is because we have another price action that stop price. And let's look at it. If we find it, we will find why price. We have here support structure. We got you. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So this is the reason price didn't retest. We have here resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, retest, break of a support structure, retest one, break of a resistance structure, retest instead of here. We were expecting price here. The price didn't come here because of this structure. And when price came here, retested RT. After after the break of structure, then the break of a support floor, price came on retest, and there we go. So this is what we have on a weekly, and that's what we see on a weekly chart. So a break and a retest, and price is gone. And these are SR level and also a demand floor. Now, the truth is, the structure is saying that Euro USD might come to the level of parity again. Now we have a descending trend line. Now finally price came to this level and retested it, broke the structure, and turned the demand floor to supply roof. So it switched from SR to RS, from support become resistance to resistance become support. So there is a switch here now, ROS, and here SR. Price quickly switched on touch of this descending trend line to respect the structure. Price broke the structure and returned as resistance becomes support to break a structure. And when price came down to another demand floor, where we have demand floor, demand floor, demand floor. So let's note demand floor zones, and price respected that structure, and on that foot we will see. So the tap into this was welcome. So let's make it fast, and let's see what happens there. Then price broke out from the structure and retested. We have this as RT, and this is an ascending trend line, ATL. So we have another ascending trend line, ATL. So let's see where we're going from here, and so we have here resistance to support structure, break of a support structure, retest one, break of a resistance structure, price came on retest one, retest two, retest three, retest four. We think based on what price is doing, Euro USD might buy from here. This is a retest one. These are all retest level. Retest two and retest three, and the current position where price is. So what price is still very, let's see if she will come into the box. We have a demand on this level. There's a demand on this level. You can see the structure, support structure, break of a support structure, retest. Break of a resistance structure, retest one, retest two, three, four. So let's see and hope the price returns into the box. But I think that Euro might return to parity. Here is where you should expect a good buy. in this box. So we are going to mark our next buy zone. Let's see if price gets here. Price gets here, that will be fine. That will be fine if price makes its way there. That will be very fine. So this is the box, this is the box. So if we expect price come into here, that will be double confluence. This is also possible. Don't rule it out. Don't rule it out. Nothing is impossible. So price can come into this zone and give a buy trigger. But at the moment, Euro USD might see a push from where we have price. You can see the structure, and let's see if we can find more buy parameter to favor Euro. We have here resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure, breakout of a resistance structure, retest, and the price is coming at a double confluence for a buy. So we have a strong holding potential at Euro USD. So at this level, we expect Euro USD buy. Open of Sydney market, open of Sydney, you might begin to experience a significant push in price. Or be patient, allow price to retest a broken descending trend line, DTL, for optic. We have some few points. So what I expect here is maybe close by close of the month movement, price should deepen into here, then retrace and make its way up. This is what we see. This is what we see. We have here a descending trend line, beautiful descending trend line acting as a roof supply. Every time price comes here, it's a sell. Every time price comes here is a sell. And we have a breakout of this structure. A breakout from a descending trend line. Now we have an ascending trend line. This is our roof, this is our floor. So we're going to call this demand floor. This is our demand floor, and the other is our supply roof. So this is our supply roof. So we have a double confluence at this point where a descending trend line meets an ascending trend line, and we give a W and we move up. This is what I expect, that Euro economy will hold strong to avoid further slide. But if Euro slides away from this structure, then we will return to parity. If Euro slides out from this structure, go short, go short, using a broken support structure as supply roof. So we return to parity. So let's watch how the week opens and see. Then we'll look at Euro bond yield, 10-year bond yield, look at US 10-year bond yield, look at 2-year bond yield, 30-year bond yield for Euro and USD. We would like to see an inverse price action between Euro bond yield and the US bond yield. If we must hold a buy from here, give a W and Euro goes up. So Euro is holding strong. If it fails to keep itself at this level, then we'll return to parity, where you look for a buy. So this becomes your new demand. This is your new demand floor. based on strategy. So we'll stop here. So I think on intraday, look for a sell opportunity for Euro USD. But at the moment, price is coming to area of value, which is demand. So it would make sense on technical to look for buy opportunity. Yes, the long-term direction is bearish on a monthly time frame, bearish on a weekly time frame, maybe possibly bearish too on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we had a swing. So we are just monthly time frame bearish and weekly. So on intraday, buy opportunity can go, sell opportunity can go. But it's always best to look for sell opportunity in Euro USD, especially in New York session. So we'll stop here for Euro USD and let's look at intraday opportunities.